We are continuing to get more details about the people who lost their lives in this storm. One of the 3 people killed when the tornado touched down near Union Lake, destroying her home, is being remembered by her family and friends now. In a statement, 65-year-old Penni Jo Guthrie's nephew said she was absolutely in love with her loved ones and would do anything for them. He tells News 8 Guthrie was a great person and that they're going to miss her like crazy. She's also being remembered online for her dedication to her cats and 30-plus pet birds, including Charlie, an Amazon parrot who survived the tornado and was found later in cold water nearly 14 miles from Union City. Shannon Kramer, the founder of Birds and Beaks Rescue and Rehab, the clinic that used to treat Guthrie's birds, took in Charlie to treat his injuries.
We received a call from Jungle Pets down in Coldwater asking us to come pick up one of the survivors of the tornado, a bird that had been turned in. And so I went down there to go pick up the bird. It was about 3/4 of the way there when I went. The only person I know down here with this many birds is Penny. And that's when I kind of put 2 and 2 together. I'm sorry, it makes me a little emotional. She's a good friend.
Since that interview, Kramer says Charlie passed away this afternoon. Since then, a few other birds have also been found dead in their cages, as well as one of Guthrie's cats.